I am glad to preside over the graduation ceremony. I am sure that all those who are passing out, as well as their near and dear, are rejoicing this occasion. Graduation is not an end in itself. It is just the beginning of our life's journey. It's a major happy event, like our successfully coming out of our mother's womb. This is an occasion for reflection and for renewing our pledges to do something worthwhile in life. I believe and I practice in this famous quote, the purpose of life is not merely to be happy. It is to be useful. It is to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have made some difference, to be remembered that we have lived at all and lived well. Unquote. Management education is not just about an opportunity to make money either by getting a job or by becoming an entrepreneur. Money is required. Money is like oxygen, without which we cannot survive. But we don't live for oxygen. Yeah? That's the difference. Healthy and sustainable societies require existence of healthy, sustainable organizations filled with good managers, and that's what you are. And healthy organizations and societies can only be built by healthy human beings who are healthy physically, psychologically, and emotionally. That means we are looking at you in two ways, that you are healthy managers and you are healthy human beings. That's why at NSB we have been emphasizing on both competence and character. We want well-rounded individuals, those who are good self-managers first and professional managers next. The society believes that today's organizations are the principal repositories of much of society's scarce resources and knowledge. As those who shape and guide these great institutions, we as managers have an awesome responsibility, but it is also a great privilege. In a way few others can do, we managers are in a position to make a major difference in society, a high positive impact on customers, employees, investors, and society at large. That is why we at NSB consider every student as a potential leader who can make a positive difference in society. The credo of NSB is to make you more valuable. For that, the management of NSB will do everything that's required. NSB is like a full-flowing perennial river, and all the students are recipients of knowledge from that river. NSB will never go dry. It will continuously energize its channels. It's up to every student. It's up to every student to benefit from it. It, however, depends on the vessel that you carry to obtain the water.